Today we're going to talk about why Yin Yoga is so beneficial for people with chronic pain. I'm a pain care coach. That means that I work one-on-one with my clients to provide a customized pain care plan that puts them at the forefront of their own healing. Now, I have about a gazillion different options and strategies that I can put into a client's pain care plan. But there's one that almost everybody gets, and that is Yin Yoga. So the first reason is that Yin Yoga is really slow and gentle. You may have been to yoga classes in the past where the pace was a little quicker and the teacher was calling out different transitions. Maybe you felt like you got left behind a little bit because not all of the transitions felt 100% safe to you at the time. Now, we know that if you've been in pain for a while, you probably have some movements that you are afraid of. Movements that in the past have flared you, and so you would prefer not to do those movements, right? The reason that Yin Yoga is so great for that situation is that you have lots of time to move between poses. And this time allows you to make moment by moment decisions about your movement. This can help you in a couple of ways. Number one, it can help you to start to explore some movements which you had previously eliminated from your life. And number two, it can start to rebuild that autonomy of movement that we all need, that somatic sovereignty. Instead of listening to someone else telling you how to do the movement, you develop a sense of your own dominance in your body. This is really, really important, taking ownership of that movement again. And reason number two is that Yin Yoga really encourages body awareness. Indeed, all yoga encourages body awareness. However, many times the quality of a quicker paced yoga class will compel you to prioritize the next shape, the next form, rather than your experience in the form. It is well known that people who've had pain for a while tend to feel that their body part, or in some cases their whole body, is a little bit distorted. It just doesn't feel like it used to. So maybe that sore knee feels much bigger. Maybe your leg feels shorter. Maybe your spine feels like it's crooked almost. So if you look in the mirror, you can clearly see that this is not the case. So what we have is kind of a mismatch between the actual biological, physiological, anatomical reality of your body and the body image. So this body awareness that we gain in Yin Yoga through this true attending to the body in the pose allows us to begin to sync up the actual reality of the physical body with the body image again. And when we do this, we can start to align more with the truth of the body, which is that it is incredibly resilient and it is incredibly adaptable. This is the biological truth of you in your body. Reason number three, Yin feels awesome. So when you've been in pain for some time, you start to lose the ability to feel sensations in your body other than pain. I know that this is the case for myself and for the vast majority of my clients. It's almost as if the brain and the nervous system and the body have one program for experience, and that one program is pain. It's just pain all day long. So Yin Yoga, because it feels really great, starts to introduce you to a wider range of sensations, a wider range of experiences that you can have in your body. So instead of just feeling pain or tightness, those often go hand in hand, you feel something like a gentle stretch, or maybe a very strong stretch. Maybe you feel muscles working. or you feel a sense of compression or some twisting, whatever it is, broadening that range of experiences that you can have in your body or in painful body parts, in my opinion, is one of the first steps toward healing chronic pain. I have seen over and over when my clients can start to have a bigger range of experiences, that is often a sign that their program is going to be successful. And for the fourth reason why Yin Yoga is so awesome for people with chronic pain, I will say it is duration. I often tell my clients and my students that the alchemy of Yin Yoga is not in sensation, it is in duration. We have many other practices where sensation is prime, but in Yin Yoga, the real magic happens in time. So we choose a pose which has a little bit of a nibble. There are sensations, but it's not going to take a big chomp out of you. And then we hold that pose for a long time, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 5 minutes. The beauty of the time that we spend in these poses is that we can start to treat the sensations that we're having in the body almost as a focal point for meditation. In traditional yoga meditation, one of the first steps is to actually choose a dhyana, to choose an object that is close to the heart. Something that you can cling to with your attention throughout the duration of your meditation. What is closer to your heart than your own body, than your own sensations? So when you can attend to this focal point, your own body on purpose, you can practice non-judgmental awareness. Pain is an experience which demands your attention. It compels you to act, to react at all times. Here's the problem though. That is really only effective or adaptive in an acute pain or injury situation. If you have been in pain for a long time, those reactions are no longer helpful. They are no longer adaptive. They have indeed become part of the pain paradigm, part of that persistent pain program that you can't seem to turn off. So duration allows for this non-judgmental awareness that over time can help you get a little glimmer of space between noticing something in your body and reacting to it. This is a pretty massive step forward in healing your pain. And reason number 5 that all of my clients get Yin Yoga is that I believe that all bodies deserve a full and radiant experience of self. Your body is amazing, unfathomably amazing, whether you believe it in this moment or not. I know that if you've been in pain for a while, it doesn't feel amazing. There's a lot of anger toward the body. Sometimes there's guilt or there's shame. But your body really, truly is incredible. It does not deserve that shame. You deserve to have an amazing experience in your body. I always tell my clients that Yin Yoga is almost like a book. And each time you turn a page in the book, you gain a new sense of yourself, a new little piece of awareness that you can bring forward into your life. Now, the thing about this book is that you'll never run out of pages. This book is infinite. So with each page turned, there's something new that you learn. And the deeper you get in your own body awareness, the better. Research shows that people with better body awareness have all sorts of wonderful benefits. They have more harmonious relationships. They make better decisions about their personal well-being, whether that be food, physical activity, relationships, finances. People who have better body awareness have more compassion for self and more compassion for others. People with better body awareness report more satisfaction with life in general. Now, here's the thing about this body awareness and all of the benefits that come with it. You can practice this when you're in pain. You can practice body awareness even if you have pain every day for the rest of your life. You can practice body awareness as part of a pain care plan for yourself that can lead to long-term healing. And of course, you can practice body awareness in a body that is pain-free. Body awareness is not reserved just for people who don't have pain, and it can be incredibly beneficial to you. So notice that in this talk about the 5 reasons why Yin Yoga is so wonderful for people who live with chronic pain, I didn't mention that it loosens tight muscles. I didn't say that it releases fascia. Now, I will agree that for most people who do Yin Yoga, the subjective experience is that these things have occurred. However, static stretching is probably one of the most researched topics in musculoskeletal science. And I don't see the evidence that shows that fascia has been released, whatever that even would be scientifically. I don't see any evidence that muscle tissue is actually changing as a result of practice. I know this is a sacred cow that I'm slaying right now, but the research just doesn't show it. The science isn't there. However, the evidence does show that things like body awareness, non-judgmental awareness, bodily autonomy and confidence, and the reduction of fear actually do have very beneficial effects on reducing pain and increasing function. All of these things that you get from Yin Yoga. So if you would like more resources for Yin Yoga for chronic pain, please do check the description for this video. Thanks for listening.